Good morning. Today I'm walking to the Indonesia consulate at Jalan Taat. First visit. Supposed to be 800 meters from Trellis. Cut this distance short. I use the Konsulat Susu 2, then turn right to this Jalan Trepper. As you can see, actually there's an easy way formerly before they build this flyover. Just across the road can go to Jalan Trepper, but now they make in such a way become quite difficult for pedestrians to walk across this Lingkaran Daram flyover. And the interchange of Jalan Tun Razak. Actually, you can walk on the top there, but now they cut downward, that's why the road is longer. And then they block the road using the divider. We have to follow the road. Actually, there's a way there, but they block it. Look at this angle. They cement it and block the whole thing. You have to walk, follow the car route. Quite distant. Di Jalan Puncak Sarjana. Actually, just cross from here only. So near. But this thing is too high for me to climb over. The avenue, Trellis. Walk like a car, U-turn. This divider very high and car coming down from Trellis. The park is quite remote. Not conducive for walking. Wow, look at the pothole, sinkhole. Woo. Terrible. Not well maintained. A lot of pepper and stone along the path. Another danger spot here. Woo. Another one again. Woo. The whole thing deserted. So no purpose this staircase. After the interchange of Lingkar Dalam and Tun Razak, now is more clear, white. Can see the sunshine. In front is landmark. Actually walk straight, you can go to the UOA residences, direct cover walkway to LTS. Now we are here at Wada. After the Wada, turn right should be the Consulate of Republic Indonesia. I hope I can do some extension of my visa because I intended to visit my friend at Bandung and Surabaya. I'm supposed to stay there more than 1 month, so I need to apply in advance for an extended visa. Look at the terrible. Bonding here. It was very bad. Wada. Here we are. So there's a warung here. Early in the morning, 8:30. Jalan Taat, turn right. You can see Consulate Jenderal Republic Indonesia is just in front. So when I reach there, I cannot do a video because it's an official place. Here we are. Thank you. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. One-way street. So many cars here. So many cars here. Turning, all turning. Okay, that's all.